Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss regarding sugar business. Sugar sweetens our life with its sweet taste. Sugar is widely consumed all over the world since ages. People with sweet tooth simply can't resist without sweet food. Sugar is evergreen product in regular demand through ages. People of all age group of different community like to consume it in a form of confectionery, desserts, recipes, sweets, chocolates, syrups, etc. Sugar is widely consumed in occasions like marriages, birthday parties, anniversary and other occasions. Since centuries, sweetening material is stored in lockers and was valuable traded material. Nowadays, it has become part of our daily diet. Origin of word sugar is from Sanskrit word sakra, refined sugar. Nearly after 1st century, sugarcane was cultivated in north part of India, and term glucose was made by Jain Dumas around 1838 from Greek word glyco. Around 6th century, sugarcane originally from New Guinea was brought to India and other places. India is the largest producer of sugar along with sugarcane sweetener and gur, jaggery. In white crystal sugar, India has ranked number 1 position in 7 out of 10 years. Andreas Markov, a German scientist in 1747, discovered that sugar in sugar beet is similar to sugar in sugar cane. After 1st century in northern India, sugar was produced from sugar cane. Sugar trade is risk-free if certain rules and principles are followed along with spark of luck. This business can be executed in any good city of India. Major advantage if it is operated in Maharashtra, UP, MP, Gujarat, etc. Registration process involves MSME registration, GST registration, trade license, office state registration, firm's current bank account, firm's PAN card, etc. For funds and finance, they can invest their own money or from angel investors, loan from private firms or bank loan. They need proper firm documents, license, identity documents, IT return, fund insurance, etc. Average size trading company of sugar can be initiated with basic investment on office, warehouse, website and basic stuff. Office rent cost per month can range from 5,000 to 20,000 plus Indian rupees and warehouse rent from 15,000 to 20,000 plus approximately. Basic expenses include stationery, electricity bill, maintenance costs, tax filing, staff salary, miscellaneous costs average of 10,000 to 20,000 Indian rupees per month. Transportation and logistic cost depends on order and can be in lakhs depending on distance from sugar mill to destination area. Labor cost to load and unload material depends on labor rate per day of region and number of laborers employed. For process, orders are needed from India and abroad. Buyer should be proper registered company with money, knowledge, connection, power and right attitude. Price of sugar are as per current market price of sugar depending on current year crop and last year crop sugar quality. Packing of sugar comes in 50 kg PP bags, but customized packing can be done through additional cost. Sugar business in India involves risk as number of fraud activities are being noticed and reported with the government policy. Commerce Chamber rules, State Sugar Association have updated policy for better trading. Many strategies should be considered in sugar business plan, leaving no chance for any failure. Depending on trader, funds and well executed strategies will generate sugar business profit to highest level every month. Sugar distribution business plan should be made and various outlet for sugar retailing should be provided. Sugar export business can be started providing at least 1/25th container to Dubai, Singapore and other places on LC basis. Regular orders can be obtained and more places in world be targeted to supply sugar. Sugar production industry is done by sugar mill or sugar factories that produces sugar from sugarcane juice that is extracted from sugarcane cultivated on fertile lands. Sugar retail business can be profitable if they have price benefit and other facilities. Thanks for watching my video. Do not forget to like, subscribe my channel.